Why did the Hyundai Santa Fe break up with the Honda CR-V? Because it found out she was seeing other compact SUVs behind his back. And now let us look at 11 critical differences between the two. Let's compare the differences between Hyundai Santa Fe versus Honda CR-V to get a holistic view of these popular mid-size SUVs. Difference 1. The first noticeable difference lies in their make. The Santa Fe is manufactured by Hyundai, a South Korean automaker, while the CR-V is a product of the Japanese manufacturer Honda. Difference 2. In terms of exterior size, the Hyundai Santa Fe is generally larger with a longer wheelbase. This increased size gives the Santa Fe somewhat a dominating presence on the road compared to the more compact CR-V. Difference 3. The Santa Fe offers better towing capacity compared to the CR-V. If you frequently haul heavy gear or a small trailer, you might prefer the Hyundai model. Difference 4. More powerful engines are available for the Santa Fe, including a choice between a 2.4-litre four-cylinder engine and a 2.0-litre turbocharged four-cylinder engine. On the other hand, the Honda CR-V offers a 1.5 litres turbocharged four-cylinder engine, which is smaller in comparison. Difference 5. The interiors of both vehicles are also designed differently. The Santa Fe has a more driver-focused cockpit and boasts a 7-inch display as standard, while the CR-V has a multi-angle rear-view camera and a more advanced infotainment system. Difference 6. Hyundai Santa Fe has a better warranty coverage with a 5 years 60,000 miles basic warranty and a 10 years 100,000 miles powertrain warranty. Honda offers a 3 years 36,000 miles basic warranty and a 5 years 60,000 miles powertrain warranty. Difference 7. In terms of fuel economy, the Honda CR-V performs a bit better than the Santa Fe. You might find the CR-V a little less hard on your pocket when it comes to frequent trips to the gas station. Difference 8. When it comes to cargo space, the CR-V offers slightly more room than the Santa Fe, making it more versatile for families with a significant amount of gear to carry around. Difference 9. The Hyundai Santa Fe provides 3 years of complimentary maintenance, unlike the Honda CR-V. Difference 10. While both vehicles offer significant safety features, the Honda CR-V comes out on top with its Honda Sensing suite of driver's aid technologies, such as a collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation system, and adaptive cruise control. Difference 11. Lastly, the price point is also different. The Hyundai Santa Fe is typically more expensive than the Honda CR-V, although the price can vary widely depending on the exact model and the included features and options chosen by the buyer.